Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock of ZF Steering Gear Limited. So this is a good stock with good fundamentals. Currently, the stock came out of the downtrend and the stock is very bullish and the breakout candle is also very good. So it's good stock to go long. Currently the stock is above the major support level. So it's a positive thing for the stock. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So let me draw the major confluence area that govern the stock. So this area can be taken as the major confluence area because look at the price action that happened at the same range. So once it acted as a resistance here, once again it acted as a resistance here. It's a small resistance here. More than 3 months the resistance was not broken. So this can be taken as resistance signal. And look at the retracement happened here. So the stock broke the price range and came down till the price range of 348 and it took a retracement here at the same level. After a long time the stock was on a small choppy zone and the stock hit at the same zone here and it got rejected and fell below, and now this time it's really different. The stock took a breakout from that range and the breakout was very good with big candle, so it's good to go long in the stock. And let me draw the major trend line. So this can be taken as the major trend line that actually govern the stock for a long term. So the stock gave a breakout from that range, so it's good to go long in the stock. Now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart of ZF Steering Gear Limited. So the stock gave a very popular pattern breakout. It's inverted head and shoulder pattern. So the stock gave a breakout from inverted head and shoulder and the stock is very bullish right now. Look at the rejection happened in the support level. So this rejection definitely says that bulls are very vigorous in the stock. So currently the stock is very bullish, so going long in the stock is very fine. And the stock also at the major confluence area, that too above the confluence area, so it's perfectly alright to go long in the stock. And one can expect the dip of the head of the inverted head and shoulder pattern as the target. So let me use the line tool to analyze it. So one can take this as the target. It's around the next resistance level. It's around 713. 700 level can be taken as the target suggested by the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So let me use the Fibonacci retracement tool to analyze the retracement levels. So the stock took a 0.618 retracement. It's a perfect retracement to go long, and the stock is above the 461 level, which is good level of entry. So entry at current market price is also very fine, and one can take entry at current market price and can set a target as 621 price range. 621 is almost 25% upside from the current market price. One can take main target as the price range of 730 to 800. So this price range is more than 50% return. So one can expect a such good run within a matter of few weeks. So it's good to go long in the stock. And let me move to the daily chart now to analyze the feasibility of the target. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately, and join us on Telegram to get the regular updates of the ideas published in the channel. So this is the daily chart of ZF Steering Gear India. So let me remove all these noises. So we can draw a channel pattern here. Actually it's a good channel and the stock gave a breakout from the channel and now it's consolidating a bit. But let me draw the major supply zone and demand zone for the stock. So this can be taken as the major demand zone right now because the stock broke that level with good bullishness. So the look at the reaction at the same price here. It's a good spot to consider. So the stock is reacting here. Look at the only one candle which touches that level and the rejection is very good, so it's good to go along in this stock. So the above mentioned targets are very much feasible, and the stock also gave a breakout from the long term trend, so going long in this stock is fine. So one can take entry at current market price, that's around 500 rupees, and first target is around 621 price range, and second target is around 880. It's quite long term, and the target suggested by the inverted head and shoulder pattern is around 800 rupees, so both can be taken as a target. It's more than 50% upside from the current market price. So if you like the video, hit like button, and finally thank you for watching our videos.